How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Nice to meet you, bro. All right, so this is the car right here.
Yeah.
Is it locked? Oh, it's open.
Yes.
Oh, I could have been started. You got the key and everything?
Yeah.
If you gotta go do some stuff, because I don't want to keep you out in the cold for too long, you know? Yeah. So, you need to get this right here.
Bye.
Dude, this thing's a pain in the ass to get out.
Right.
Yep, you came at the right time, bro. Yeah, I just finished it. Yeah, I got to just plug everything back in and then we should be good to go. Yeah, literally right now.
I was about to say I'm gonna run an errand real quick.
Yeah, you're gonna. Yep. It's gonna take a minute. I'm just gonna get everything back together because I gotta unplug some stuff. But yeah, we should be good to go. I must make sure it starts and everything. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, it's black.
There we go.
Yeah.
Voila. There you go.
Let this.
There you go. Make sure it starts up. Yes, sir. I'm gonna leave it in there because it needs to charge up a little bit. All right, then I'll go put everything up and then I'll take payment. You got cash up, right? It should in a second. Perfect, man. All right, bro. You have a blessed one.